Hello, welcome to today's class. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy Cosmos, that is Atom, on Binance in just a few minutes. If today is the first time that we're meeting, hi, I'm Umoren, your money coach. Follow me on all social media platforms for more educational content on investing. So let's jump straight into today's class, how to buy Atom on Binance in just a few steps. Step 1, log into Binance. If you don't have a Binance account, I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can open one, or you can even check out my step-by-step video on how to open a Binance account. Okay? Step 2, deposit funds into your Binance account. So now that your account is already set up, you need to deposit some funds into your account to start trading on Binance. Binance offers a variety of deposit options, including bank transfers, credit card and debit card deposit, and also third-party payment depending on your location. To buy Atom on Binance, you need to send some USDT or BUSD into your Binance wallet. And the simplest way for you to fund your Binance account with USDT or BUSD is to buy BUSD or USDT from a local exchange and then transfer it into your Binance wallet. Say for example, you are in Canada. You can simply buy USDT with Canadian dollar from Index and then transfer it to your Binance wallet. If you're not in Canada, another way for you to do this is just to get USDT from your local exchange, that is a crypto exchange that is domiciled in your country. Then you just transfer the USDT into Binance. Okay, feel free to check out my video on how to deposit money from bank into your Binance account. I'm gonna leave the link up here. Okay, so once you've deposited USDT or BUSD into your Binance wallet, you're ready to pick up some Atom coins. Okay, it's also important to know that you can also buy Atom with Bitcoin or Ethereum, but USDT or BUSD is preferred because these are stable coins and they are pegged to $1. That's $1 USD. Because these are stable coins and they are pegged to $1, you don't expect to see any volatility, so to say. Okay, so usually very little or no volatility with stable coins. It's preferably you transfer USDT or BUSD into Binance and then use that to buy Atom. Okay, so let's say now you've already transferred USDT or BUSD into your Binance wallet and you just want to verify that it's already in your Binance wallet. What you're going to do is you're going to come under wallet, click on fiat and spot, that is deposit and withdraw. So once you do that, this is going to show you the balance in your Binance wallet. You can see here that I have about just 3 coins here, and you can also see the value of the coins that I have so far in my Binance wallet. You can see I have BNB, I have BUSD. This is a stable coin. So this just shows you all the list of coin in your wallet. Okay, step 3, we're going to buy Cosmos, that is Atom. So I'm going to assume that you already have either BUSD or USDT. Okay, so what we're going to do now is you're going to go under market, click on market, then go on the spot market. Now we're going to search for Atom in the search bar here, right here. So type in Atom. So once you type in Atom, you can see the different combinations that are available. You can see there's BUSD, there's USDT. You can also use the Binance coin. You can use Bitcoin. You can also use Ethereum. So there are different ways for you to buy Atom, but for this tutorial we're going to be using BUSD to buy Atom. Okay, so this is the one that we're going to be going for. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on this. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to the Binance trading platform. So just scroll down a little bit. So because I just want to buy this right away, I'm going on the spot. I'm going to click on market. Now I'm going to be using BUSD to buy Atom. So what you're going to do is you can see this toggle bar here. you can move it, and this is going to tell you how much BUSD that you're going to spend. Okay, so this is going to show you the amount of BUSD that you're going to use to buy Atom. If, for example, now you want to just set the amount of Atom that you want to buy at a specific price, you can click on limit. So for here, if I move this like this, you can see that it's telling me that if I use 16.86 BUSD, I'm going to get 1.30 Atom. So you can always move this to any threshold that you want. But because I just want to buy this straight away, I don't want to wait, I'm going to click on market, and I'm going to be using all the BUSD in my account, and I'm going to click on buy. You can see the order is already fulfilled. So right now I'm going to go back into my wallet, click on wallet, fiat and spot. Again, we're going to check the coins in our Binance wallet. So once you click on fiat and deposit, you can see that now I have Atom in my Binance wallet. Okay, it tells me that I have 2.44 Atoms, and I've already used the BUSD to buy Atom. Okay, so that's just the easiest way for you to buy Cosmos, that is Atom, on Binance. In our next class, I'm going to show you how to transfer Atom from Binance into your Ledger hardware wallet. If you don't have a Ledger hardware wallet, it's important for you to get it directly from the manufacturer. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can get your own Ledger hardware wallet. You can either get the Ledger Nano X or the S Plus. Okay, it's important for you to never leave your crypto on a crypto exchange. This is because if you do, you leave yourself vulnerable to hacks, thefts, malicious attacks, and even bank runs. Okay, so again, it's important for you to always move your crypto off an exchange. If you want one-on-one coaching session with me, you can head on to my website Umoren.com. I offer one-on-one coaching session on crypto and stock investing. I have tons of classes. If you're new to crypto and you just don't know where to get started from, or you want to give this to a friend, you can head on to my website. It's a step-by-step guide on how to get started with investing in crypto. So this is a guide for anyone that is new to investing in Bitcoin and you're not just sure on how to go about this. In this particular guide, I laid it out in 10 different lessons. It covers everything that you need to know about crypto investing, and it lays it down for you in an easy and digestible content. Okay, so if you want a copy of this, head on to my website. It's very easy to understand. It's called the Crypto Beginner's Guide. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. We've come to the end of today's class. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, because it tells me that you find this video helpful and it motivates me to create more content for you. Okay, so until then, I'm Umoren, your money coach.